Hello, welcome to ACE, the Beaufort-Jasper Academy for Career Excellence.
At ACE, we offer 12 dynamic careers and technical education programs for students from both the Beaufort County and Jasper County school districts.
While at ACE, students gain valuable hands-on experience and earn industry-recognized certifications in their chosen fields.
And something we're very proud of.
In 2024, ACE was recognized as the first career center to win Palmetto's Finest School.
One of the top honors a school can achieve.
Now let's go explore the outstanding programs offered here at ACE.
In culinary arts, it is a one-semester program where we learn the basics of getting into the culinary business. You could earn a certification for ServSafe and also your managerial, which can help you get into the culinary world.
In nail tech, we learn sculpture nails, gel nails, regular polish, French polish, pedicures, and manicures. At the end of the program, we take a state board exam to get our license.
Here at the ACEMS, we prepare to take our nationally registered EMT test at the end of our course, and here we go over everything from patient assessment to managing airway to doing CPR, and we get our basic life support certification. With that, we also do clinicals at Beaufort Memorial Hospital, and then we also do ambulance ride-alongs with a bunch of organizations around the Lowcountry.
This is marine technology, and here we learn how to service on engines, and we earn multiple types of certifications such as Yamaha and ABYC.
This is cosmetology. We do hair care, nail care, facial care. The programs and the certifications you guys will earn is your certification of cosmetology license. You will also get your barbicide certification, and you will get the OSHA certification.
In welding, we learn stick, MIG, and TIG. We do numerous projects. If you come to ACE, you can get your AWS for welding, and it'll send you straight into the workforce.
In barbering, we learn how to cut hair, we learn how to braid hair, we learn how to shave. The certifications we get is OSHA, we get the hair braiding certification, we get barbicide certification, CPR, and then at the end of the course that we take, we prepare for state board and we get our license. So we're ready to go out in the world and start our journey in the barbering industry.
There's auto collision. We learn to fix cars, repair dents, put Bondo on cars, the whole process of that. We learn how to pull frames, we learn how to weld, we get our MIG certification, our OSHA 10, our ICAR certification, our CPR, and stop the bleed.
We're in electricity, and here we learn to wire up light fixtures, switches, outlets, and by the time we're finished, we get all our certifications like our NCCER and our OSHA.
This is a building construction program. We learn a lot of things over here like plumbing, electrician, how to build a house, read plants.
In health science, we just practice skills, and it's a 2-semester class, and at the end of the class, we get our certified nurse certificates.
In auto technology, we gain our certification through a bunch of trainings that we do. I just recently got my OSHA certification. We also learn how to work on cars. We do various types of repairs. We do oil changes, we change brakes. We also get to work on your own car. We also help community members as well for a reduced cost.
When students come to ACE, they can also take an English class
designed to build essential soft skills and prepare them for their careers.
In the course, students write technical documents and resumes and cover letters. There's also a focus on communication as students learn problem-solving skills, participation in mock interviews, and more. Hey, so what are you waiting for?
Come be a part of something great
and start your career at ACE.